Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get butterflies in the Trust Impress Petal update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Trust Impress, and then if you want to get butterfly, you need to go to this area. And some of you might not notice this butterfly. You can click on this butterfly to get butterflies on your finger. Okay, you can click this butterfly. Alright, and then you can change the toggle. Here we have 3 different toggles. You can put the butterfly on your head and on finger and head, and you can customize it as well. Okay, for example, I'm just going to make the butterflies like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get butterflies in the Trust Impress Petal update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!